In this video, I'll show you how to replace the toner cartridge of your Brother DCP-L2640DW. This may work with other models since they're all about the same. So I'll show you how to replace the cartridge, but also if you never installed one, how to install it. The printer can be turned on or off. This does not matter. What you'll do next is on the sides, let me show you. You have on both sides this small cutout. Just take your finger and open this lid this way. The toner compatible with this Brother printer is the TN830. It comes in different variant, XL, V, and R, depending how much ink you want in it. I'll put link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. If it's the actual first time you're installing the toner, you'll notice that it comes in this package with the drum. So let's open it. Before inserting it, we need to remove all the orange tabs. I'll go over here and we'll just unclip it. Unclip it here and do the same thing on the other side. Like that. We can throw this in the garbage. So over here, this is the toner and it's already installed on the drum tray. Again, if it was the first time you're using this printer, you just have to insert the whole thing directly in the printer this way and then push it. You know, this is a handle here where it's green. You just need to push it until it goes all the way in. Once it's inside, you can simply close back this lid. If you're trying to replace the toner, you need obviously to open this lid. Take this tray simply by pulling it out from where it's green, like that. Now we need to remove the toner, and for this we're gonna turn it around and you're gonna notice a green clip. Press on it and the toner will come right out. Take a new one and put it back simply by gliding it until this clips back, like this. Before using it, take this green tab on the top and do this at least 5 times. This will clean the drum, which will ensure you that there won't be any stains and weird things happening with the toner. At the end, don't forget to leave this green tab on the left side. Then, just like I showed you, place it back in the printer. So glide it like this. Make sure it's all the way in and close the lid. This is it. This is how you install or replace your ink toner on your Brother L2640DW. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.